Papa, good morning, sir.
I didn't see you coming last night. Where did you spend the night?
Oh, Papa, I spent the night at Onyekanne's house.
Ezefa, you are the chief advisor to the king. We are here to inform you that we will burn that place down without mercy.
Yes, exactly. That place called Obuankwa is evil and must be set on fire. It is a departure from the norms we are known for.
Whole issue beats my imagination. Does it mean that men of this kingdom can no longer have their wives to themselves? Just because of this particular place?
Do you know the one that breaks my heart? It's about our children. Our sons and daughters. Whenever they go out, we will always carry this fear in our hearts that they are heading for Obuankwa. Nobody can distinguish between the wrong and right anymore. Ichie, we have to wreck that place.
No.
What's again?
It sounds like you just said no.
Yes. I did not say it in a wrong way. Obuankwa is the only place where all the sexually transmitted diseases are cured.
Hey, Chimo!
Ezefa, let me also remind you that the so-called sexually transmitted diseases came into this our community in the first place as a result of places like Obuankwa. So what we are saying is that we are going to burn that place down and it will burn to ashes. Whether you like it or not.
No. We're not known for taking laws into our hands. As for that place, the gods are watching. If what he has established is evil, the gods will kill him and close down the place.
Oh, I don't like this at all. Honestly, I do not like the sound of this at all. Ichiomashane, you have been quiet since you came here. Please say something and help us out of this.
I see the end of Obuankwa. But it's not going to be by our hands.
Yeah.
I also see the new beginning, which is going to come at an unexpected time. So let the gods take the lead.
Jesus is a winner man. Jesus is a winner man. A winner man all the time.
Ichi, you see this business? It's the business I mastered all the way from OGECHUKWU. I got it from OGECHUKWU. Women are the nurturers of life. We cannot do without them. I agree. I agree 100%. You see, life is completely meaningless without women. And I must add, a man that has money and cannot do anything with women. Does not know the value of the money. Because women give value to money. Let me tell you, when I came back from OGECHUKWU and decided to set up this joint, I was afraid. Afraid of what? I thought our people will not understand this.
You made it more flourishing by the herbs and some ingredients that you cook to flush out all the nonsense. And you know, when men are strong and healthy.
Can I tell you something?
I'm listening.
My master that taught me this business, he told me something.
What is that?
He said a man will only live long if he sleeps with more than one woman.
You're looking younger. You even sleep with more than 5.
So according to him, he said, "Boy, why are you looking at me like this?" I said, "Sir, because I don't understand." He said, "Okay,
Occasionally, it is good for a man to go elsewhere with another woman to play."
But wait, our women will seriously vote against you if they discover what you are teaching them.
See, listen to me. I am the master. I am the master when it comes to this game. You understand? Forget about women group or whatever. No, I don't deal with women on group. No.
You understand me? Now, listen to me. If you look at now, you understand me? That is why I made it possible that left, this one will come, another one will come and go, this one will come, so nobody knows what each other is doing. So I deal with them individually, not group.
I see. You understand? But I say, woman will not be venerable.
Greeting, men of our land.
Amaka, go to room 14 there. Go to that room 14. Go and wait for me.
You see, I am with men here. And you are going to make plenty money.
Okay, sir.
Listen, let me tell you. The other day, that boy CJ on point. He was there now, that's on back. CJ on point was there now, that's on back.
My pounds and dollars. How much?
I don't think we should continue to do this in the open. We could get caught.
I don't know why you're always afraid of over nothing. We're in a practically in the middle of nowhere and nobody saw us.
I am just saying, Obamba would have been a better place.
No. That place is completely out of the question. Ububankwa, Mbano.
I wonder why you hate that place. We are practically doing the same thing they do at Obubankwa.
You see Obubankwa? Obubankwa is a filthy place and people who go there are a bunch of fools. I would rather trade my respect doing it with you in the open place than to go to Obubankwa.
Filthy, you said?
Yes.
As in you consider yourself clean and innocent because we come into the uncompleted building and do the same thing they do at Obubankwa.
My pounds and dollars. The difference is very clear. You don't see the difference. Did you see anybody when we were doing that? Did anybody see us? The difference is, don't you see the style? That's how we do it.
What is it that troubles my friend? Ugezu. Since you came here, your face has been like this. Obugene, talk to me. What is it?
Utondo. I think my daughter has started paying visits to Wankwa.
Your daughter? No. It's not possible. Don't tell me that.
That is what I kept telling myself until I just realized that I was lying to myself.
How do you mean?
Madije has started sleeping out lately. And when we ask, she will say she slept at Onyekanne's house. I believe her until 2 days ago when I ran into Ekunife. I was going to give him a message to my daughter when he gets home. Only for him to tell me that neither he nor his sister has set eyes on Madije after the aborted marriage. Where would she have been?
Ugezu. You and I know that Ekunife is a merchant. He is hardly at home. So I am of every opinion that that information is not authentic. Yes.
You have a point there, Ichie Otondo. But as at the moment I was speaking to him, my daughter was supposed to be at the house because he was just coming from there. So how come?
Yes, but then, did you bother asking her where exactly she was? Did you?
Utondo, why are you asking me all these questions? As if you don't believe me or what?
Well, it's not as if I do not believe you. I do. But I know your daughter. I know your daughter very well. I am also aware that Wefile Rika has been talking some loose women into coming to his place to sell their bodies. Your daughter that you and I know cannot condescend so low as to listen to that fool, Ilurika.
Do you know what? She usually leaves by this time.
Wefi, don't do anything stupid. The gods blessed you with a good daughter. Don't kill her in anger.
I won't. Thank you.
Hey, this girl. I've always wanted this girl to always cover up her tracks. But you didn't listen. Now this man has started suspecting her.
Tumba, 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 tumba. Tumba, 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 tumba. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow. If I am to I can't live with it. If I am to I can't live with it. So don't blame me. Tumba, 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 tumba. Tumba, 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 tumba. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow. If I am to I can't live with it. If I am to I can't live with it. Hey, if I am to I can't live with it. If I am to I can't live with it. Please don't blame me. Tumba, 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 tumba. Tumba, 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 tumba. Tumba, 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 tumba. Tumba, 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 tumba. Hey, nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow. If I am to I can't live with it. If I am to I can't live with it. Tumba, 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 tumba. Hey, tumba, 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 tumba. Hey, ayagaya, 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 ayagaya. Please don't blame me. Tumba, ayagaya, 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 ayagaya. Whatever you sow is what you reap. What goes around comes back around. Ooh-wale, ooh-wale, ooh-ah. Yeah.
Someone is following me. Could it be Mama? Oh my goodness, I have to change direction.
Could it be that Ekunife lied to you or what?
Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow. If I am Tulunaya, call it with it. If I am Tulunaya, call it with it. Hey, if I am Tulunaya, call it with it. If I am Tulunaya, call it with it. Please don't blame me. Tumba, 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 tumba.
Madichi, by the gods, where have you been? No one have seen you for the past few days. I've been around. It's just that my mother, my grandmother has been ill, so my mother asked me to stay with her.
Oh, I'm sorry about that. How is she now?
We thank the gods. She's getting better.
Why are you behaving like this? Are you all right?
I am fine. I'm very fine. I was running an errand for my mother when I remembered I haven't seen your beautiful face. So I dropped by. I'll have to be on my way now.
Fine.
I'll see you later.
Mama, you're going to the backyard.
ONYEGIRI. We live in a kingdom where we have too many roads. Today happens to be my backyard day.
What is wrong with her?
Have I been wrong all this while? Or is my daughter doing a good job of hiding wherever it is she's been going? What exactly has this girl been up to?
How can you be this stupid and careless?
How?
Your father is beginning to suspect you, and trust me, this is not good for you at all.
Joe, are you serious? Hey, what exactly is he suspecting? What? Did he tell you anything?
He is beginning to suspect us, you and I. How? Madiche, you are in a better place to answer that question. So, of all places, you cannot cook up any other story to tell me if not that you went to Yekene's house. Eh?
Hey. Hey. Could it be he was the person trailing me today?
He followed you here?
No. I noticed I was being followed, so I diverted to Yekene's house instead. Hey.
See, I'm a very noble man in this town, and I cannot afford any scandal. Look for anything and, any way you can handle this. Get to Yekene to your side if you have to. You've heard me.
Iche. My father, Iche. We have an unfinished business, so Iche Otondo. Otom, come now. My father.
I am dancing in the rain in pain.
Onyekane, why are you sounding like this? That you went to the market to get new jewelries for the occasion. I did not see what you like. Is that why you're feeling this way?
It's not like I'm feeling bad, Mboroma. You know, it's always very demoralizing. to desire something, yet you can't find it, even when you have the money.
Where and where did you search for it?
Everywhere. Virtually everywhere in the market. I searched and searched and I couldn't find what I wanted. How do you want me to be happy?
Calm down now.
Who is all this?
I don't know, Bakasim Biko.
Is that not someone I'm hearing?
Who is all this?
Are you expecting anyone?
Yes?
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Who are you and how may I help you?
My name is Ebuche. I am from Umuziora.
Okay.
I saw you at the market earlier today in search of jewelries. And I know a little about jewelries. So I decided to get them for you. I hope you like them.
I don't even know what to say.
You don't have to say anything. I know you needed them, so I decided to bring them. Besides, a friend of mine deal on this, so it wasn't difficult for me to get them.
May the gods bless you.
You see?
But wait, how did you locate here?
Okay, I saw you call the woman you had a fallout at the market today. Call her by her first name. So I knew both of you knew each other. I went to her, asked her, and she gave me the directions to this place.
Anyway, I forgive her.
I knew it. I knew it. I was right about you.
Excuse me? What are you talking about?
When I saw you earlier today at the market, I got so attracted to you. Not in a wrong note.
I see.
Yes, you see, you're a beautiful woman. And every man, including me, would want to have you.
Is that why you're here?
You see, I just want to be friends with you, okay? I just want to be friends with you, and I know how to take good care of a woman.
Okay, fine. How much did you get the beads so I can quickly go in and get the money for you?
Like I said earlier, I didn't spend anything in getting the beads. It's a gift. Like I told you earlier, my friend deals on jewelry, so it wasn't difficult for me to get it.
What are you saying? These are very expensive beads.
I know, but it didn't cost me anything to get it. They're just gifts to you.
If you say so. Thank you so much, and may the gods replenish you.
You see,
what have I done? How could I have given myself to a man when I'm not even sure if he loves me genuinely like he claims? Gods of my land, please, let it not be that I've made the worst mistake of my life.
what's going on in your mind?
Nothing. Nothing.
I hope you don't have any regrets.
No, I don't.
Good. See, if I don't love you, I wouldn't have done what I did.
What?
Yes, I wouldn't have done it. And thank you very much. Thank you for making me the luckiest man on earth.
You love me?
I love you. Do you know you are a very stupid human being? If you are a fool at this age, you will remain a fool forever. Nai. Who is Nai? Who is your father? Do you think that after the stupid stunt you pulled on your marriage day, that I, Ichie, Ademora, will follow you to what? Go all the way to Aki to seek for another young woman's hand in marriage? You are a fool.
Nai, please. Nai, I'm begging you. Nai, no matter what, you're the one I see and call father. I'm begging you, Nai. Because I'm begging you.
I see you, I see a fool. Obiche, has it ever occurred to you that you are the only one left in your father's lineage?
No.
Has it ever occurred to you that if you fail to bear a son, that your father's lineage is gone?
Nai, that is why I am pleading with you. I am pleading with you to accompany me. Accompany me to go and marry this beautiful young woman that will bear me sons and daughters.
And I am telling you that I am not following you to anywhere. If you think that that one of Aki is the one you will marry, than the decent one you have decided to frustrate, then go alone. I will not follow you to anywhere. Count me out. Count me out.
I'm begging.
So you mean she has been sleeping in your house?
Yes, Nai.
Ma, why didn't you tell us the truth?
I was afraid. I thought you wouldn't approve of my spending nights in another village.
Mamban, it is all for good. Eh? You were doing this because you want to learn a craft. You could have told us the truth instead of using Onyekane's compound as cover.
I never knew she had interest in beads making.
Yes, so Mama, she does and she learns very fast. My mother is a professional in beads making.
Oh, my daughter, why have you decided to open up to us now?
Mama, yesterday, Mama confided in my mother, telling her you haven't been away of a visit to our house. So she asked me to come tell you the truth.
Your mother is a very good woman.
Thank you, Mama. I have to be on my way now.
Mamban, you just came to my house for the first time. And you are leaving without taking a collar.
Papa, maybe next time. I have some errands to run for my mother.
Emma, please see your friend off.
Thank you, Mom.
My greetings to your parents.
Yes, Mama. Come, let's go.
My husband, I can't believe she was so afraid to tell us the truth.
We thank the gods for Mama Ijema. At least we have a child that is learning a craft.
I owe you my life.
Don't mention Biko. As in, I can't believe I'm this good at deception. I can't even believe myself. Look at the way I was giving them my line and everything seems so...
You are a professional.
I have to start going, business awaits me. This night, this night is going to be hot.
Hot.
You come out now.
Yes,
fine now. Quit making.
Don't worry, I understand. I will see you later in the evening.
All right.
Thank you so much.
Are you not EJEOMA, the great seer of Aki?
That's me.
Oh.
Okaramado Okaramu.
Oh, Ichi, it's an honor. Please, come on, have a seat, please.
Thanks. I bring a message to you from the gods.
A message from the gods? Am I still safe?
Obiago,
The gods want to know why you are holding back.
Holding back?
That feeling you've had in your heart, why have you not done anything about it?
Feeling?
Maybe when I'm gone, you will understand what I've just said.
Iche, please explain to me so I can understand.
Obiago, you are wasting a lot of time. There is a reason you are feeling that way. So, act on it. And you have to act fast. The opportunity is here. Seize the opportunity.
Do not play with my heart. For the song I sing, it came from my heart.
What did he just say to me?
When last did you see me in your place?
The day of my marriage.
And how did I live?
Angrily.
And have you seen me in your house since then?
Nope.
Do you know why?
Probably you were angry, that's it.
Close, but not quite. Ebuchi, we stopped being friends the moment I left your house.
What?
Because I was angry with you. I would probably forgiven you now that you've come to beg. And maybe consider following you to a key. But the fact that you are sitting in my shop now is making me feel murderous. Are you not ashamed of yourself? Ibuchi, are you not ashamed of yourself? You had a one-night stand on the eve of your marriage. And you called it off because of that. You called your marriage off because of that. Now, instead of you to take your time to think about your miserable life and where it all went wrong, you are here looking for who will accompany you in search of the other woman.
I'm sorry, my very good friend. I'm really sorry. But I think you're rather twisted in a very dangerous way.
Ebuche, you are the dangerous one here. And you have to leave my shop now. Leave my shop. If you don't leave, someone will die. And if you haven't, you don't leave. Just one night stand. Your head change.
Amanindo. Sorry,
Utondo, I do not know what I will call this. You see the pain? I find it very difficult to urinate. I have constant headache and diarrhea.
Isioku. Sorry. Have you started receiving treatment?
Yes. The chemist was here just this morning.
Who is talking about chemist? When I asked if you have started receiving treatment, I mean from Erika.
Erika?
Yes.
Why will I tell him about my sickness?
When it comes to administering potent herbal medicine that is capable of killing every manner of sexually transmitted diseases and sicknesses, Erika is the best.
Really?
Sorry, yes. It is believed he learned the act of healing from the northern town of Oturukpo, where he equally learned the business that is going on at Ogbankwa.
I never knew it. You didn't tell me.
Now you know. Prepare, let us go to Ogbankwa now. Prepare. Don't mention my name. How do you mean?
You see, let me tell you, sexually transmitted disease is no longer as dangerous as it used to be. No, calm down. Listen, calm down. You will take it 1 shot in the morning, afternoon, and night. Short, okay? But you will purge and also urinate frequently. After 2 days, you will be fine.
Can I start drinking it?
No. Don't be in a hurry. You need to eat well first because it's a very strong medicine.
Let me go and buy him food. Please, a man should not pass through this kind of thing.
Cool down. You see this treatment? You will be fine down there. You will look like a small boy down there. Eh? Okay? So, but please don't forget. Morning, afternoon, and night. Short. Okay?
Amalicha.
Obiago, how are you?
I'm fine. I went to your house to check on you, and your brother told me that you went to Obala village to see a family friend.
My brother told you that? Yes. And you followed me up? For what exactly?
Nothing. I'm just checking on you. I thought we were friends, so we're not friends anymore.
Why are you trolling me? Obiago, why? Or did EJEH send you to find out how I'm suffering?
Why must you suspect me with a thing like that?
Why won't I suspect you with a thing like that? You're not my father. Neither are you my brother. So you have no obligation whatsoever to take care of me. Why are you here?
Okay, Onyekenne, I am here because I care about you. Yes, I care about you so much, more than you can ever think of. Ebuche hurts you, yes, but that doesn't mean we are no longer friends. Huh? Onyekenne, I am here to show you that I care about you. I am not here to mock you. Yes, or to laugh at you. But I'm here to tell you how much I care about you. I know you're good at putting up fronts, but you cannot fool me. We all matured. You cannot fool me. I know you're hurting deep inside. Eh? I know you're not spinning yourself all this while. So allow me to take care of you.
Do not play with my heart.
Oh, Nemo.
For the song I sing, it came from my heart.
I still can't believe you followed me home.
I did not follow you home, my dear, but I brought you home.
Really? As if I'm drunk, or I'm a little child that cannot find a way home.
I did not say you're a little child, but you've become a project to me. Making you not just comfortable, but making you happy has become my task.
I'm so surprised you're saying all this. True.
Anyway, I have already explained myself to you. Onyekenne, see, I just want you to make up your mind because you'll be seeing more of me these days.
Really? Anyway, no problem. You just have to sit down. Let me get you food to eat. I know you're very hungry.
For the song I sing, it came from my heart.
Amasiana, you're not saying anything. Ebuche, you remember what you did to me on your traditional marriage day? What did I do? Oh, you really can't remember? Okay, I will remind you. Is there anybody here? Who lives here? Ebuche.
Amasian, so what do I owe this early morning visit?
Today is your traditional marriage, and you are still asleep. Anyway, your gallons of palm wine are here.
Well, Amasian, I don't need them anymore.
Fresh palm wine
is the oil that lubricates marriage. So why would a man that want to go and get married not need fresh palm wine?
Because I have cancelled the marriage.
You need to wash your face because you sound like you are still asleep.
No, I don't.
No, you need to wash your face.
I don't. Amasani, there is something in Akili that is more superior than me getting married to any woman in this village today. And that is why the marriage is cancelled. So you can just live with your kegs of palm wine.
Ebuja, you can't be serious. I mean, do you know what it took me to bring these gallons of palm wine here? You can't be serious.
I'm sorry, but you just have to live with them because I don't need them anymore. The marriage is cancelled. Please.
You showed me that day that you are the son of evil.
Masana, please don't be mad at me. Please, I am truly sorry. Don't be mad at me.
You know, it beats me that after what you did to me, you still have the guts to come to my compound and request for kegs of palm wine that you take back here.
Masana, I will pay you anything. I am ready to pay you anything.
If you like, pay me your internal organs. You will not get not even a cup of palm wine from this compound.
Masana, please now. Please. I'm begging you.
If you don't leave my compound now, I will take a revenge on you. Get out! Get out!
Anything you want, I'll pay you.
Get out. Leave! Nonsense. It's a pity how much of a disgrace to the entire men folk that you have become.
Okay, Onyekenne, I am here because I care about you. Yes, I care about you so much, more than you can ever think of. Ebuche hurts you, yes, but that doesn't mean we are no longer friends. Huh? Onyekenne, I am here to show you that I care about you. I am not here to mock you. Yes, or to laugh at you. But I'm here to tell you how much I care about you. I know you're good at putting up fronts, but you cannot fool me. We all matured. You cannot fool me. I know you're hurting deep inside. I know you're not spinning yourself all this while. So allow me to take care of you. Oh, Nemo.
He sounded just like a man in love. Gods of our land. How can that even be possible?
For the song I sing, it came from my heart. What I kill you,
Is this you? No, in full flesh and blood. My goodness. How did this happen?
Ogumevileriga is a miracle worker. Come back. See, his house healed so fast. Just look at me. If you want, I will even do press up. Yeah,
I have seen enough. Don't press up at all.
Can anybody believe I was ever ill?
Not at all.
What is an See, we need people like Ilu Erika and that place of Ubankwa in this place.
I don't think I understand what you mean by that. Kutondo. Respect yourself. Do you have a fresh palm wine in this? Because now you're a job guy.
In a job, if I go on that,
I want to wear.
I need Jarando. Let me get it.
Nobody knows tomorrow. If I to Lunaya, come here with it. If I to Lunaya, come here with it. So don't blame me.
Whoa! See who I'm seeing today again. Remove that smirk off your face.
Well, I am not absolutely responsible for what is happening to my face right now.
Where is ONYEGIRI?
She's at home.
Oh. I now understand why she's making that delicious
and special dish.
Goodbye.
Hey. Listen to me. I want to warn you. If you hurt my sister, if you dare hurt my sister, I'll kill you. And I don't mean coming to your house to beat you up. I mean, I will expel you from the surface of this earth. I swear.
I love her.
And I do.
Now, can you remove your hands off me?
Just keep my warning at the back of your mind.
I don't need them.
You know, I don't really believe I'm saying this. I mean, I thank the gods that the former marriage did not work anyway.
Hello? OKENNA.
You're here?
Yes. How are you?
I'm fine.
I know you're fine. I mean, how are you?
And I said I'm fine.
Okay.
I just finished from the kitchen now.
Okay. Can I help you, CHINEDU, or something?
I have food too. Gods of our land, what kind of pain is this? What sort of sickness is this? How can a human being be experiencing such pain when urinating? The diarrhea has practically soaked the life out of me. What is all this?
Amaka, what is wrong with you?
My husband, I look sick. I'm fine.
Amaka, I ask again, what is wrong with you?
My husband, leave me alone. I said I'm fine.
All right.
Stupid man. I have to get to Ubankwa.
I am dancing in the rain, in pain. Do you feel my heart? Dancing in the rain, in pain. I am dancing in the rain, in pain. Do you feel my heart? Dancing in the rain, in pain.
From where did your daughter get this?
What do you mean?
You mean you don't know what it is?
Well, if we knew, you wouldn't be invited tonight.
Your daughter is suffering from sexually transmitted disease.
Hey!
The diarrhea, the vomiting, the horrible things that come out from her private, the fever. Oh, if only we had had a clue.
Hey! Naya, one more.
Have you seen what you have caused?
Nah. Why are you harassing me?
Why would I harass you? Eh? Are you trying to tell me that you are not aware that your daughter has always led a wayward lifestyle? Where do you think that all those expensive gifts that she gives you all the time came from? Where do you think that she normally passes her night each time that she doesn't come home? Have you seen it? When I try to discipline this girl, you will pick at me like a mother hen that just hatched. Have you seen where all this is leading to? You try to cover her excesses all the time. Now it is your burden and you bear it alone. Hey.
I will suggest you take her to Obubankwa.
Never! Nobody from my house will step foot in that godforsaken area called Obubankwa. I will slap off your tongue if you don't keep your mouth shut. Nobody from my house will go to that godforsaken place called Obubankwa. Period.
Nah. Please, talk to him. I don't want to lose my daughter. Please. I don't want to lose my daughter.
Let nobody provoke me further.
Let me tell you, if you don't take her to Obubankwa, she will die. Ogbuefi Ilorika is the only person who can combine herbs that will cure this disease. I know you abhor the place, but as the situation is now, you don't have any option. Remember, she's your only daughter. It is either you take her there or you risk the chance of her becoming childless. So the choice is yours.
I told you, I finally handled it. I told you that I will find a way to get my father off our back.
Beautiful. You're very good. Look at that. This is what I call good news.
At this very moment, my father thinks I'm at my friend's place, EJEOMA's house, learning how to make beer. trust me. I told you now.
Odom. Now that you have shown me that I can trust you, now you come here and show me that you can make me happy.
I really want to understand this. This thing between you and Obiago, what do I call it?
First of all, there is nothing between Obiago and I. Secondly, you don't have to label us, because we are just friends. Yes.
Well, I am talking because the friend to the man that broke your heart has been showing more concern for you lately than any of your friends.
He's only been here 3 times.
And have you seen the way he looks at you?
I most certainly do not understand what you're talking about.
And I am not just talking about these past few days.
Then what exactly are you saying?
Listen, dear sis. He has always had eyes for you. That is it.
Are you saying that?
Yes. Even while you were with Egbuche. Now the question is there any part of you that is ready to reciprocate these feelings?
Amaka, you're exercising. Are you preparing for a boxing competition?
My husband, good morning.
Good morning. I thought you were ill some days ago.
I'm fine. It wasn't serious.
It wasn't serious. Okay.
Ebofi, Eureka is indeed sent by the gods. What a miracle. Thanks the God.
Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow.
I thought you would not leave the house again, stupid man.
Do you mean to say that you are okay already?
Can't you see for yourself? Our daughter is okay now. Owefi said we are free to go home.
What exactly do you practice here? Medicine or magic? How can she be made healed in just few hours?
Father, you should be happy for me. Not asking so many questions.
Don't force me to slap you off, this girl. Do you think I am happy with you?
Excuse me, please. This is not the place to vent your anger and your frustration. Please. This is Obubankwa where people come to enjoy themselves, relax, feel good and get healed.
Exactly.
Please, go home with your family. Go home with them. Instead of you to appreciate my effort towards the development of our people. And you're here talking rubbish.
Now for a memory of progress.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Is this what you call development? You are destroying our land, not developing it.
Each time I look at you, I see a hypocrite.
What? You are insulting me because I came here, Eureka.
Now, let me tell you. You are a typical example of bots. The bot is calling the kettle black. You think I don't know you? I don't know where you go in the dark. I don't know where you go in the bushes everywhere. All your Kurukana movements, everything about you, I know. You think I don't know? Come on. Rise above your stupidity and come over here and enjoy my facilities.
You are sick in the head.
Just in case you change your mind, I'm here waiting. I'll give you a discount. I'll give you a discount.
How long has it been?
Long enough to know that I've been forgotten.
No. Why would anybody do that? You know, we've all been busy with our personal lives.
Exactly. It's fine.
So how are you?
Why does everyone keep asking me that?
Everyone?
Yes. Each time Obiago comes here...
Wait. Did you just say Obiago?
Yes.
You mean Obiago has been coming here?
Yes.
I knew it. I knew it. You know what? We have always known that there's this sparkling connection between you and Obiago. Just that we refuse to mention it to you. We have to keep our mouth shut.
What are you saying? I was with his best friend.
Exactly.
Yes.
Onyekane, have you noticed the way Obiago looks at you?
And even the way you respond to him.
Myself?
Of course. You think we don't notice?
Huh.
Look, Onyekane, I know you were with his friend and he treated you badly. But my friend, you still need to be happy. Obiago is nothing like his friend. Believe me. Okay?
Onyekane, you know what? What we're trying to say in essence is, if there's anything, any part of you that want to reciprocate what Obiago feels for you, do not hesitate. Please.
You need to be happy, my friend.
Hey. Here he comes. I think we'll have to be on our way now. Yes.
Now?
Yes.
I hope you're not leaving on my account.
Oh, no, not at all. No, it's just that I have tons of errands to run, so I have to go now.
And I need to be in the market too.
Oh,
okay. Now see you later. We'll see you, girlfriend.
Are you alright?
We need to talk.
No, we don't.
What?
Yes, because I overheard what your friends were telling you. That's why I know exactly what you want to talk about. See, Onyekane, I want to tell you this. I care about you so much, and I don't want to lose you. I don't even want anything from you. You don't even have to reciprocate if you're not ready. Okay? I don't even care if you get married to me or not. What I want is your happiness. I am your friend, that's why I'm here. So your happiness matters to me.
And you, go over there, place your hand on top of his.